Hi everybody, this is Nish. Bleh. Fuck. Hi everybody, this is Nish with KolorPop Designz, and I'm back again with another video. I want to say thank you to all my new subscribers. I love you guys. We are going to be doing a refrigerator organization. I went to the Container Store, TJ Maxx and Marshalls, Home Goods, Meijer's, and Dollar Tree. I'm going to show y'all my fridge, no judgment, because let me tell you, a lot of families, and I've seen some YouTube videos, y'all doing y'all fridges and stuff. Being a mom, working and all of that, hey, everybody's fridge is not pretty. Nobody has a Pinterest-worthy fridge. Not everybody. I have a small fridge. I have a side-by-side, so we're going to make it happen with this refrigerator. I'm going to show you what it looks like. We're going to do the refrigerator side. I don't know if I'm going to tackle the freezer. We'll see. But I'm going to show you guys the before on the refrigerator. Take everything out, clean that bad boy, and we grade pimp the fridge. we getting ready to pimp the fridge. Your girl is getting ready to be extra bougie on this one. So stay tuned. Let's go.
I want to come on here quickly and give you guys a view of what's inside my fridge. It looks like it ain't really nothing in here. I need to go to grocery shopping and I need to get rid of the leftovers, and there is just way too many condiment bottles, period. Okay, we need to get that organized. Don't ask me why there's a gang of Cheez-It bags, cracker bags, there's crumbs in the bacon container, in the thing where you put the cheese in your bacon at. And it's just too much going on. There's too many bags, there's too much disorganization. Oh my God, what is that? What is that? That is disgusting. Okay, we're gonna get it right. I have a quick tip for you guys. Rule number 1, take everything out of the refrigerator. Do not try to do this in sections like, oh, I'm just going to do the top part, then I'm going to do the middle. No, take everything out so you can see what you're working with. It only makes sense for you to take all your items out, go through everything, see what's expired, nasty, that needs to be thrown in the trash, and then get started on cleaning the refrigerator.
Okay, you guys, so I have cleared everything out of the fridge. This mug, I ain't even getting ready to tell y'all the last time I cleaned the fridge. Don't even bother asking me in the comments, because I ain't telling you. Okay, so I got everything out. Okay, look at the fridge, y'all. I took the bottom containers already out. This thing is disgusting, okay? It needs a deep clean, and I'm gonna give it to him. So I am going to use half vinegar, half water, and I may put some essential oils in it just to kind of make it smell a little good. I don't want to put any bleach or nothing like that in there. I usually use Method products, but I don't have anything for the fridge purposes. Only have stuff for like antibacteria. It's an antibacteria cleaning spray, and the other one is the bathroom shower light cleaner. So I don't have like an all-purpose on hand. If I did, I would be using it. It's not sponsored or anything like that. I just love the Method products. So, oh, you know what? I do have something else. Once I get it cleaned down really good, I may use this. This always smells good as well. So, Mrs. Meijer's, I love this. But this gonna have to get, matter of fact, I'm getting ready to take these out, okay? I've already made me some dishwater with some dish detergent and some bleach. I'm gonna clean it real good. I gotta figure out a layout. I don't know if I wanna, you know, move these up one. Can I even move these up one? The door won't even stay open. That's how bad it needs clean. Poor thing. All right, y'all. So let me get this all out and get these all cleaned, and then I'll come back to clean this inside because these trays. Let me see if I can give y'all a look. I'm gonna give y'all a peek. Look at that. No, unacceptable. Unacceptable. You cannot be KolorPop Designz and your refrigerator look like shit. No, we can't do this. We cannot do this. We won't do this. Okay? So let's get these all taken out. Look at that. Really? What happened? Okay, so I just want to give you guys a close-up of what I'm dealing with. This is the fridge. It is so nasty. I mean, I could say I'm embarrassed, but I'm not really embarrassed because I feel like everybody should look like this. We are not the only ones. We ain't the only ones. So I'm just going to use a sanitizer wipe to get, like, see all those crumbs back there? And then I'll go in with the spray and get it up. It is looking trash, but it's cool though. It's okay, ain't it, Jada? Yeah, we're gonna get it all cleaned out, get all the other stuff clean, get it back in, and then we're gonna make it happen. It ain't gonna look like this for long. Yeah, okay. Okay guys, I just want to quickly come on here and show you what I was talking about, the vinegar situation. So this container is not that big, so I'm just going to do 3/4 vinegar and 3/4 water and see how much that'll give me. And that should be enough to do whatever I need it to do. And I'm just going to add some oils. So I'm going to be using some eucalyptus. I don't have any orange. I wish I did though. But this is fine. So I just want to, I'm not measuring the drops. I'm just,
small fridge problems. No, but seriously, I have taken a disinfectant wipe to get up all the crumbs that were down at the bottom before I go ahead and use my vinegar water spray. So that's what I'm doing right now.
I got everything. You can't tell on camera, but I sprayed this solution everywhere. So while that's like sitting, I am going to work on the door. And that way when I go to wipe everything and clean everything out, take these out, wash them, put them back. Yeah. Not even get ready to waste my energy trying to spray it down. You need a deep clean. We said we was gonna deep clean, right? Okay, I just went ahead and got me a bowl. So I got a microfiber cloth, and I'm just going to go ahead and work my way up, down.
A quick tip, you guys, if you want to get rid of some of those jars in your refrigerator, use mason jars. I know a lot of people like to use the white tops instead of the silver tops because sometimes if you wash them and you don't dry them immediately, they can rust. But I have taken out my pickles out of the jar it came in and put it in mason jars, and I'm going to do the same to the banana peppers. Quick and easy, gives it a nice cohesive look. Everything's the same. I'm going to be using some type of masking tape on the bottom of the jars to put the expiration date, and I'm only doing that because I have not made any labels yet. Once I make some labels, trust me, it's going to be cute, but I'm not going to go ham and label everything in the refrigerator. I just don't like that look. Now see where quarantine life will get you? I hope you guys enjoyed watching my refrigerator organization video. I really needed to get in there and deep clean the refrigerator because it was not looking really good. If you guys would like to see more of these type of videos, make sure you comment down below, hit the subscribe button, and I will see you guys again in the next video. Oh yeah, stay tuned to the freezer. I am going to have to tackle that in the next video because this video was super long, but I do apologize, you guys. Love y'all. See ya.